Assalamu alaikum viewer. First of all, please subscribe our channel. Today we are discussing the parametric and the polar plots in two-dimensional. In this section we will discuss the polar plots in two dimension. First of all, we have, suppose this is the x equal to xt and y equal to y of t. This is a parametric equations. Their parameters, you know why it is parameter, because both equations or both functions depend on same. This depend on t and this depend also be t. To graph the parametric functions, we use this command. The command is the parametric plot square bracket and xt yt. These are the two parametric equations and their independent variable is t, initial value is a, and the final value is here. You can see this one is the first one value and this one is the final value. So then it is so simple to use the parametric equation in Mathematica. Here is a r equal to r theta, that is, and the alpha is less than this. Now we want to plot this one. In this case, because this one is the polar plot, then we use the polar plot. The p is capital and plot p is also capital. Theta, for theta we use ta theta and this bracket, and the initial value is the independent variable is theta and the alpha and beta is right here. We use for the polar plot. Same here we can see the function y equal to 1 minus x square, or y is equal to this one. We want to plot this equation in any one of these. P1 equal to plot and the square root 1 minus x square is a comma and minus square root of 1 minus x square, and this is close. And the x value is, the independent variable is x minus 1 and plus 1, and the plot range is, here we define the plot range as you want, and the aspect ratio is automatically. Here you can see that x is equal to cos t and y is equal to sin t. This is the parametric equation and we want to parametric plot in Mathematica. We write this one in this form: p2 equal to parametric plot and use that bracket. That one is the cos t and sin t. T is the initial independent variable and 0 is the initial value and 2 pi is the final value put on here. Then plot range, we define the plot range. It's depend on over. Now if we want in polar, this one is the another plot. Now this one is p1, p2 and p3. You can watch all of the result in this one. Here we use the command show graphic rows p1, p2 and p3. Here is the another example for the parametric equations or the parametric plot. This one is over given function, and for the function, how we define, first of all we define function in Mathematica, and this one is defined here, second one is defined here, and next we plot the graph of p1 and by this ratio, and xt of the value is this, yt is value is this, and the plot t p2. What is different between these two? Here we defined with color and the size and the color, solar color or other color. the color. You can watch all of these color in another video lecture. Here we define the thickness. If you don't need the thickness, mean